Every morning he wakes up to the same job. But today everything is different. The uniform, the tools, the way the world sees him. One side, a life of struggle. The other, a future of dignity. For years, this was his reality. A step into the unknown, a risk taken daily. The air is heavy, the work is backbreaking, and the world above, it chooses not to see. But today, the world stops to watch, not with pity, but with respect. He is no longer invisible, no longer forced into danger. He is not just a worker, he is an operator, in control, safe. The job hasn't changed, but everything else has. Before, there was struggle. Now there's efficiency. Before, there was risk. Now there's safety. Before, he was unseen. Now he is valued. Because dignity isn't a privilege, it's a right. Bandicoot isn't just a machine, it's a promise. A future where no one has to step down to clean manholes. Join the revolution. A future of dignity begins today with Bandicoot.